Hello lads. It's currently it's 7:30 in the morning. In this wonderful sunny day at Liverpool. Grabe kagabi, dinner namin. Medyo malapit lang naman. Siguro mga 10-minute walk, pero grabe yung ulan with hangin. Sobrang nalamig ka. Sobrang lamig. So right now, breakfast kami. Ito yung last day namin ngayon sa Liverpool. Pero we'll be back soon pag nakaipon. Ito yung paligid ng place here sa Liverpool. Tignan mo, ganito sila mag-park here. Lasing. Ganyan sila mag-park. Naka-semplang. Siguro lasing yun. Kasi may mga bote ng beer sa kalsada. And yesterday was a big day dito sa Liverpool. Kasi nanalo sila against in a derby sa kanilang neighbor rivals na Everton 2-1. So won that game. And then fresh day yesterday. So madaming tao sa Liverpool. So having breakfast dito sa Ezra at Engil. Ay, bukas. So dito lang kami. It's near the Opo. So malapit lang sa Victoria statue. Okay. Okay. So close pa Sunday.
And Curtis nag-rally.
Doon na po tayo sa loob later or ano. Hindi kayo babalisaw-sawin dyan. Kabaligtaran. Ayun. And then behind me is the Liverpool capital. Ito yung central nila para munisipyo nila. So, siya? Ang temperature right now is -7 or 7 degrees pala, hindi -7. So, 7 degrees yung temperature ngayon. Yan nakakatawa dito, di ba sa atin may mga ibon, maya, pipit, mga ganung ibon. And then sa Singapore, if you go there, kalapati or mga tropical birds. Dito madaming seagulls. Nung gabi pa lang may nakita ko flock of seagulls. Gabi ha, na lumilipad along sa main road dito sa Liverpool. Tapos every morning, ayan, seagulls. Hanggang ngayon, kung check na doon sa taas, kung nakikita nyo, there's a seagull there. Yun. Parang small area lang. Small area pa lang yun napuntahan namin sa Liverpool. Mamaya we'll try to go to Anfield kasi I think we have time. And then after that, we'll go to London And sa London, abangan nyo na lang mga videos ko later. Sulitin natin yung day. But right now, walk lang tayo sa Anfield. Meron pang 13 minutes to spare. Pupuntahan ko lang yung Capitol. I'm not sure kung yun yung Capitol, pero lakarin ko lang one of the siguro most iconic or sikat na lugar here sa Liverpool. So may gin distillery. Meron ngang Sus Coffee eh. Wait lang. Tingnan nyo. Kung merong Coco, meron din Bobo. Coco Bobo. Picture natin. Wait lang So may coco, may bobo. So meron silang Sue's Coffee here. Ito medyo posh, social restaurant. Daming kalapati. Spice Thai. Yesterday it was rainy. We went off this road. It was super rainy, and people are just walking. They're playing sa tubig baha. The Ivy. Ang daming nice restaurants around. Castle House. So this is along Castle Street. So there's Vietnamese pho. Ito ang ganda ng building. There's Greg's. As you can see here. And then there's a parang reddish building. Parang thriving yung mga businesses here. And they're super interesting. So you'll never run out of things to do here sa Liverpool. Mga taxi nila, mga black taxi. So this is the old Capitol. I'm not sure. Island Workspace. So I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, there's a clock, building clock there. You can see the birds. Those are the official para mascot ng Liverpool, mga copites, and it's a liber bird. So liber birds, yun yung nasa logo ng Liverpool FC Club. And yun yung kanilang parang mascot or representation. Iba kasi lions, tigers, sila yung copite. So I learned this because I studied not to study, but I read a lot of things about Liverpool, since I'm a football fan of Liverpool, Beatles. And I asked din locals. So I met nga yung driver namin, si Neil is a good man, and isa siya sa mga warm people na nakilala ko here sa Liverpool. So 6 minutes before 8 o'clock, I think I need to go back sa restaurant in time lang for breakfast. Medyo cozy breakfast, mga eggs Benedict, salmon. Yung aming magiging meal for today is breakfast. And then after that, we'll go back to the hotel. Go a short visit to Anfield. Since I wasn't able to watch a game yesterday, next year or year after, we'll watch a game. And susulitin natin yun. Sweeting Street. So ito yung mga streets here. Bitin. Sobrang bitin itong Liverpool trip. So much things to do, so much places to go, and a lot of things that needs to be experienced. So the next time we'll be here, we know what to do na. At least we were able to experience yung Beatles trip. Na-enjoy namin yung Beatles trip namin. Watch nyo lang sa isang video. And yung football game na lang ang siguro kailangan gusto ko mapuntahan. Alright, so almost 8 o'clock in 3 minutes. And we'll have our breakfast first. should try visit Ezra Hill. Ezra Hill is here lang across, if you can see, there's a big, Queen Victoria Museum. There's a Queen Victoria statue across. It's along Castle Street. So yun, it's near the port. And yun, yung food that they have is sobrang ano siya. They call this healthy. I would say healthy and artisanal. And one for the books, okay na no. Okay yun. Gusto namin yung mga ganitong klaseng food. Same kung ano yung kinain namin sa Siargao back then. Itong nakaraang trip, smoked salmon. You can check out the video. Also yung kinain ko noon sa Hong Kong, sa N1 Cafe. Ayun, should try and visit here. Try their food. I'm sure it's going to be fun, it's going to be healthy, it's going to be delicious. Breakfast time. Breakfast is complete. Sarap yung food. Try to visit them. Pag ito kayo sa Liverpool. Yan. Ezra and Hill. Hindi ko alam kung yung pinag-usapan namin kayo na kung anong tawag na sa mga ganong klaseng food. Wala kasi akong alam na ganong style na food sa Pilipinas. Mga eggs benedict, salmon, French toast. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. But it was a wonderful breakfast. Super sarap. Ano pa rin yung car na sinampal na. Yun ito. Ganito nila pinark yung car niya. Tadan! Nakasampal lang sa gutter. Ito po yung nasa picture. So in one photo by Mike sino yan? McCartney. Merong picture si John Lennon nandito. Nakaganyan siya.